Your AI prompts are failing, not because the AI is dumb, because you're writing them like a paragraph. And there's one weird thing Anthropic actually recommends, in their own docs, that fixes it in under 30 seconds. And yeah, it works on ChatGPT too. Here's the typical prompt. You paste your instructions, then some context, then an example, then ask the question, all jammed together. Looks fine to you. To the model, it's a wall of gray. It can't tell where your instruction ends and the example begins. Kind of like reading an email with no paragraph breaks. The fix is XML tags. Yeah, the same angle brackets you've seen in HTML. Wrap each part of your prompt in its own tag. Instructions go in instructions tags. The context goes in context tags. Examples go in example tags. Anthropic literally trained Claude to recognize these. And here's the bit that flipped it for me. ChatGPT and Gemini follow the same structure too because they all train on similar web text. This is from Anthropic's official prompting guide. They say it themselves. XML tags help Claude parse complex prompts unambiguously. That word, unambiguously, that's the whole game. Less guessing, fewer wrong answers. Let me show you. Say you're a sales manager asking AI to draft a client follow-up. The old prompt is one paragraph. Please draft a polite follow-up email to my client based on our call yesterday. Here are the notes, blah, blah. The new version splits it cleanly. Role tag, context tag with the notes, instructions tag, tone tag. The output goes from generic to actually usable. Same model, same free plan. Completely different result. Another one. A college student summarizing a research paper. Wrap the paper in a document tag, the question in a question tag, and tell the AI to answer only from the document. Suddenly, it stops hallucinating citations because you've told it exactly what counts as the source. This one move saves you an hour of double-checking facts. One more for the developers. Wrap your broken code in a code tag. Paste the error message in an error tag, then ask in plain English what's going wrong. The AI stops re-explaining your code back to you and just answers the question. Less yapping, more fixing. Two more moves. 1. Wrap multiple examples in an examples tag with 3 to 5 samples inside. Anthropic specifically recommends 3 to 5. 2. Ask for a thinking tag before the answer. The model writes its reasoning first, then the final answer. You get a glimpse of how it got there, and the answer itself gets sharper. Quick warning though, people sometimes invent fancy tag names like awesome context or please help. Don't. Stick to short, clean tags, all lowercase. The model doesn't care about your creativity. It cares that the same tag name means the same thing every single time you use it. Best part, this needs zero upgrade. Works on free Claude, free ChatGPT, free Gemini. No $20 a month, no 1,700 rupees a month, none of it. The trick isn't a paid tool. It's paid attention to structure. One last thing. On ChatGPT, the Customize Instructions field is basically a system prompt. Wrap your role and your constant rules in tags there, like role tag, output format tag, constraints tag. Now, every conversation you start already has the structure baked in. You stop repeating yourself 10 times a day. So before you pay for that pro plan, try this first. Wrap your prompt parts in tags. 3 minutes of effort, every answer levels up. I did not see that coming the first time. Try it on your next prompt. Stay ahead of AI, one tool at a time. Like, subscribe, and tell us which AI tool are you actually using.